बहुत से लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि व्हाट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रॉप्स आई एम यूजिंग फॉर माई योगा प्रैक्टिसेस. Namaste, my name is Nilima Joshi. I'm a yoga instructor as well as yoga practitioner from Goa. I take online classes all over the world as well as offline class at Sankalim, Goa. So today I will show you what kinds of props I'm using here. I don't use like a fancy props. Everything I ordered it from Amazon, from Flipkart, or sometimes I go for the trips wherever I found some things which is very related to yoga. I'll always buy it. So first and foremost, my favorite is the blocks. You'll also get these blocks on Amazon as well, but I really love these blocks. This is actually helping me a lot to improve my flexibility also. And whenever I use the blocks, I feel I'm doing something, right? It will always push you on the mat to do something new variations. So blocks always play a very important role. So I have two blocks with me here. It's a pair, so you can also get it from Amazon. You can buy it for your practices. Apart from that, I have also have this yoga belt. But yoga belt मैंने बहुत यूज़ किया है ये. एंड अभी आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ यूजिंग समथिंग न्यू, तो मैंने रिसेंटली ये न्यू अमेज़ोन से ऑर्डर किया है एंड बहुत अच्छा है ये. एंड कॉटन मटेरियल है. रिसेंटली मतलब आज शायद ऑर्डर किया है मैंने. इट एक्चुअली केम गुड. सो दिस इज द बेल्ट. And we can also make some adjustment here. You see? So I'm gonna use something different this time. It's easy to stretch. And I always believe कि we should use cotton belt because हमें हमारे muscles stretch करने हैं, belt नहीं. तो पहले वाला मेरा belt था वो stretchable था थोड़ा, तो वो इतना मुझे हेल्प नहीं करता था जितना ये करेगा शायद. सो लेट्स सी. बट आई रियली लव यूजिंग द प्रॉप्स. सो दिस इज़ वन मोर एडिशन. हाँ, माई रिकवरी इज़ दिस. दिस इज़ द रोलर, yoga roller I can say. And whenever I have back pain, thighs pain, side pain here and there, I always use this roller and I will stretch it on my back. I will roll it on my legs. So थोड़ा relaxing में बहुत help होता है. So I don't use much, but whenever I feel I should use it, I always use this roller. So I got to know everything from my sir. So whenever I get some knowledge from my sir and whenever I feel कि वो सारे props मुझे easily use करेंगे और use होंगे मेरे practice में, I always prefer to buy it. So this is one more. I love this. This one, I think everyone asked me this. I posted few stories, few videos on Instagram. Whenever I go for the camps, workshop, I always carry this yoga bag, and it's one of my favorite bag. I searched like anything. Honestly बताऊँ तो ये मुझे online में बिल्कुल नहीं मिला. I searched like everywhere, in every places also. But luckily, I went for a trip to Rishikesh, and there also I was searching, and finally I got this, my favorite bag, and it has lots of space actually. Right now I put my mat into it, but there's a lots of space into it. Can you see? Along with the mat you can also put water bottle, also keep the napkin also, so it will be easy to carry. And I always, instead of taking my mat into my hand, I always prefer to wear it like a bag, and want to go for the class. So for the offline class also I prefer to take this bag only, and this is my favorite and I just love it. I can't miss this bag. And one more addition is this yoga mat. It's a cotton one, complete cotton one. You can see here, complete cotton one. It is good for meditation, pranayama. If you are fond of pranayama, if you are very much keen into sitting exercises, I'll prefer you to go like a cotton one. Otherwise we have to buy other material, but whenever if you are doing a pranayama sessions, this is much preferable because ये cotton है, you can sit आराम से here, and थोड़ा soft material है, तो you feel good when you sit on your on the mat. So preferably for pranayam. So whenever I take the relaxing sessions, I'll use this for relaxing sessions. अगर मुझे कुछ different flows, different exercise दिखाना हो, then I will go for my other mat which I put it in here inside. So these are my favorite things in yoga and I love it. I prefer it जब भी मैं practice करूँ, इन सब के साथ practice करूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि I wanted to do it just being on the mat, but whenever I use the props, I feel motivated. I feel there is something which is pushing me here and which is always helping me to improve my flexibility. अगर आप basics भी करते हो, like a normal basics activity, even for them also these properties, these props will use amazingly. Okay, for example, if you can't lock your hands at the back, for example, if I want to lock my hands here at the back, I'm stuck, right? I can't lock my hands at the back. So that time also this belt will play an important role, where you can take the belt, interlock it and try to pull your hands towards each other with the help of the belt. So you'll get some strength here to relax and to pull your hands up. See? So that is also important. So even for the basics, advanced, for everyone, props is important. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो रेगुलर बेसिस पे, अगर आप लोग क्लास को जाते हो, आपको रियली लगता है कि आपको आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बढ़ानी है, आप में इम्प्रूवमेंट लेके आनी है, then I think belt blocks is must. This is like a compulsory props. We have to use it at any cost. So let me know in the comment box कि आप लोग कौन सा props लेना पसंद करेंगे और आपका फेवरेट props कौन सा है. नमस्ते.